Due to the graphic nature of this program, listener discretion is advised.
And welcome back, Diecast OutKast here, episode 40. Can I use nail polish for paint? We're going to find out. I was excited when I seen this casting. It is a Racing's Champion, 1949 to 51 Ford. They're commonly known as a shoebox. My plan today is to try to put a custom paint on this shoebox. But you'll see here pretty quick that wasn't as easy as I thought it would be. Also, watch to the very end. You'll see a challenge that we have and updated list of people that's doing the challenge along with us. So as y'all could have guessed, I had one of these cars once before, parked it in the front yard. Neighbors weren't real happy with it, but I didn't get to keep it. I ended up selling it and going on to another project. I wished I would have kept it though. It would have made a nice rat rod. So off camera, I drilled and tapped the post with the 256 tap and 256 Phillips head screws. This car is pretty cheap made. The casting looked really good as far as the body, but the base was a cheap plastic and the wheels were held in with the interior. No damn cat hair. The glass was good, but this was a fresh pull from the blister pack. So we're going to get the paint off by putting it in the citrus stripper. After pulling it out and cleaning it with a brass wire brush and a Brillo pad, and along with a Scotch Brite. Wanted to give this thing a nice mirror shine, so I took some mother's polish and buffed it out. And I was extremely pleased on how this turned out. So I decided to do an Aqua Spectra Flame style paint, so I added some India ink, mixed it in with some 2K clear. And it turned out pretty good. I was happy with the way everything laid down. I wasn't happy with just a single color, so I thought that I would mask it off and do a white top with some pearlized white from Createx. Turned out pretty decent, but you can see right there behind the front wheel well where the paint had peeled off with the tape, and I was not happy about that at all. So we're going to try something different. My buddy Mike Muckenfuss told me that he would like to see me do a fingernail polish paint job. So here it is, Mike. So basically what I did is I took acetone and mixed it with the fingernail polish, and basically it's just half and half. Fingernail polish has a hardener in it, so it doesn't take very long for it to dry. So you have to do this pretty quick or it'll dry tip on the airbrush. When I got the consistency that I wanted, I shot it at 35 psi on my airbrush. So I used the Rust-Oleum Flat Black as a primer out of a spray can. The fingernail polish was a matte finish, and it laid out really nice, but there's a few little pieces of trash in it. So I let it dry for about a week because I went on a trip to Tennessee with my job, and then when I got back, I wet sanded it with some 2500 grit sandpaper all the way around. Got the trash all smoothed out. Didn't know if it had a reaction or not, but I took some of the 2K urethane clear automotive and sprayed 3 coats on there, and it has a killer deep shine to it. I took my chrome pen and a toothpick and did all the details. I really wish you guys could see this in person because the video does not do it any justice. Add a little black to the grill to give it some depth. I changed out the wheels. I got some chrome Real Riders for the back and some M2 5-spoked. Look like torque thrust 2s for the front. So I'll give you a little reminder of what this thing looked like when I brought it home. It wasn't a bad looking car, but I'm not really into NASCAR, and I think these older cars like this look really good as a custom. So I decided to paint it with some nail polish to give you guys a little idea of what you can do if you think outside the box. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, thumbs up, give me a comment, let me know what you think, what you would have done different. And this is the final result. I'm extremely happy on how this turned out. I wasn't real excited about the car when I first started on it and how everything went, but after I painted it and then went back over it with the clear, got all the details done, I am absolutely in love. This is probably my favorite paint job today. What do you think? This fingernail polish is cheap, easy to do, and easy to work with, and you have a ton of options when you go take a look. As far as color, custom colors, color shifting. Stay tuned, you'll see the announcement for the new challenge and all the people that I have in this challenge as well.
They're the fastest metal cars you've ever seen. Mattel's new Hot Wheels. Collect them by themselves or get them in wild new action sets like the Drag Race action set, the Stunt action set, the Hot Curves race action set. Get Mattel's new Hot Wheels. The fastest metal cars you've ever seen.
What's up, everybody? This is Diecast OutKast here. We're going to do a challenge for National Red Line Day. May 18th, 1968 was the day that Hot Wheels released the first Red Lines Sweet 16 cars. So I'm going to issue this challenge, and all you got to do is either restore or do a custom on a Red Line from 1968 to 1977. You get bonus points if it is a Sweet 16 from 1968, which is what you're seeing here on the screen. Rules are simple. build a red line Hot Wheels, email me at diecast_outcast@yahoo.com so I can keep track of everybody. And if you don't mind, send me any more social media that you have, and I will add it to the list of people that is doing the challenge.
Hope you're ready for the next episode. Hey.